Hello everyone. As you can see, I have new camera. So my quality might be a little bit better. I don't know about the sound quality, but we'll see. I already filmed something about this with my phone, but now that I have this new camera, so I'm going to just film everything again. So I have this bull. I have this thing here, and I'm going to put it in Subaru, but I have to do some work so it fits, because it's not meant to be in that car. Yeah, obviously I can't speak today, so let's just do some shit, and I don't know. I don't really know how to use this camera. I was taking some time warp or something like that. Yes, I was saying that it's freezing here. It's about 0 Celsius. And I have this heater and of course that, but there is only very little bit of diesel inside. So let's see if I can turn this on. Yes. Okay, I just got the old mounts off. I need to clean those up later. Also the heater stopped working. Diesel ran out. Luckily I still have that. Yes. Let's see how long I last here. Because the temperature is very low. Always the longest bolts. Maybe just the finger. I think that's good. Maybe a little bit more like this. Maybe. Yes, it's much better when it's more straight than. Yes, that's good. So. Okay. It's just like it's adjusted. Then some iron. Is that solid enough? Can be a little bit more this. happy. Okay. This is also same. That's heavy. That's good. Now we need to make them like this. I really hope it fits. It's not that bad. Might get this work. Yes. I need holes. Holes. Okay, it looks like that right now. Okay, now it stays there. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe I want to adjust it a little bit more. Straight. No, it's good. No, I just measure it and weld it. Where is the element? Now it's stacked. Now it's just to weld this through. Why is the underside always prettier? Oh. I think that's gonna be just fine. Yes. I'm pretty pleased to that. Yes, I'm not really sure. Do I want to put these in here and move those or just put it back in the old place? I can think that later, but It sits so well. Yes, and this is going to be black, of course, not the chrome. I don't really like chrome in this kind of things. Yes, I put this thing back together and go home, and let's continue next time. Bye bye.